Hi there, today I'm gonna show you how to make your very first bracelet. First, you need to print a PDF pattern. I added a PDF and SVG file, so you can cut it with your hands, make a die or cut with laser. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna cut our pattern. Good, our client ordered 2 dark brown and 1 black. Also we'll need orange thread for this one. Oh. Okay, now we have all black, dark brown with orange thread and dark brown. Let's mark holes. This one bigger. Okay, and one left. Now we're gonna make some holes. Okay. Now here we will make a bigger one. I use 4 millimeters. We will use button studs that we will screw. How it looks. Okay, I use my for every year. How it looks after using it. Was this color and started to be more shiny. It's crazy horse leather. Better screw. Boom. And that's all. Number 1 bracelet is done. Now we're gonna make black one. And this one we will use our orange thread. Now we're gonna screw here. Which one is better?